Oh my god. Hey, welcome back, Nomadness Adventures. Looks like we're gonna move the cabin on wheels.
All right. We'll try it here. It makes no difference to me.
No, I know, but
You need to be able to turn. If you have the back of the trailer right here, if you started turning the wheel, it's going to start turning right here. It's going to take us a few more tries going from here, but okay. Just get it in my spot. Just back it this way.
There we go.
Back it this way. Put it right here. We're going to do it again. Oh my God, it's great.
Oh my goodness.
Bring it out.
There you go. Straighten it.
It's going to take a couple of tries.
Watch the fence. My gosh. Watch the fence.
Right.
I mean, you are right at the fence. Yeah, that's it. You're touching the fence. Okay. All right. There you go. There you go.
Straighten it out, dude.
You got this, Max.
You're getting there. Perfect. Now, crank it where you can.
Crank it
Crank it. Which way?
the other way.
No, you got it. Just keep going where you're going.
Okay.
This one.
There you go. There you go.
It's gonna turn.
It's gonna turn.
It's gonna turn. Keep going. Keep going. Just go with it, dude. Go with it.
Feel it. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go.
It's fine. It's perfect.
It's perfect.
You're gonna get it in one shot. Just keep going.
Go, go.
You're in perfect position.
the back of it.
You're not quite there yet, but you're almost there. You know what? Honest to God, I think we can call. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. We're almost square.
Almost.
Almost. It's perfect.
Oh my gosh, perfect. Stop.
We'll call it. We can make that work.
Stop.
How'd I do?
You did good. You can always readjust.
Little Babaloo. Perfect. You're low in this corner. Quite.
I'm glad we're building it over here now.
That's right.
How's it going?
Good. Just sanding a little bit.
Putting the curves in?
Yeah, kind of. They're kind of curved.
So you got all your... Oh yeah. It's got the
Little
corners.
window trim so it fits the curve.
Yeah, it looks good.
Got the door.
It's easier for me to get up here over here because it's so lifted. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's a nice day for this, isn't it? Oh, you got this one done too. Okay.
And the bottom one.
Oh, for the trap door. The storage door.
Yeah,
Huh. It is a beautiful day.
it is.
I just thought I'd come out here and check out what you got going on.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna sand.
Okay, you get to sand it. See you later.
Bye.
Okay, working on the... So what is that board? What's the thickness?
5mm.
5?
Yeah. Now, is there another? Yeah, is this a joist right here?
Yes.
It is?
Yep.
Right here?
Yep, right there. For real. Okay, we got all the boards.
For
More
the side.
wood, yeah, for the sides.
Front, back.
Front and back. So next step, we put the sides up, guys. And I'll see you on the next episode.